Hello everyone, this is Alex from Albo Studio, and this video will be more as an announcement to all my subscribers and all my followers. I've decided to do the following. Since crypto market is going up to the moon, and there is a lot of people that have no idea how to profit from crypto or how to get inside this great system. So I would like to show to you how you can start your journey into a crypto world. To do so, I'm going to show you how to mine your cryptocurrency at home, profit without mining your cryptocurrency, how to rent a rig or Asic to mine a cryptocurrency, and how to host something like MasterNode using an external server. So basically, my idea is to show you all there is about crypto and to show you how you can profit from it. Or if you don't want to do anything, there is some platforms that allow you to deposit your crypto and get dividends every day. So I hope this series will be fun. If you are interested in learning more about crypto, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my Twitter, and I will try to give you as much updates as possible and to share all the information that I have about crypto. This was Alex from Albo Studio, and if you like this video or you might like upcoming videos, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for great content. Take care and bye bye.